Are you afraid of the dark? Are you scared? You know, I am you.
Back to my channel. Today we are channeling our inner Joker. I wanted to go about this look in an easy and affordable way. The hair is $198 at Walmart. The foundation, just get the lightest shade, mix it in with the white concealer, or they're definitely affordable options. So this is the first time that I actually attempt this look. This is definitely for the beginners, the makeup lovers that want to get a little bit more creative this Halloween on a budget. So if you're interested in recreating this look right here, make sure to keep on watching. Alright guys, I already prepped and primed my eye. We're gonna go in with some Coastal Scent Hot Pots. The first shade we're gonna go in with is Redwood, and I wanted to create a pinky tone before we went in with a red. Next I'm gonna go in with Vibrant Red. I want to keep this red shade more towards the crease. Just kind of want it to be that background color when we go in with the smoky. So I'm gonna go in and lay down a black base. Even though I'm gonna go in with a dark brown, it just makes it look a little bit darker. So I only want to do about this thick and then blend it up. Alright, so next I want to go in with Deep Rose. This is a dark brown. You could do a black. I just wanted kind of like a variation. So I'm going to go ahead and pile it on. That wraps up the look. I'm super excited with the turnout of this look. It was definitely difficult to get the words and the tattoos, but I feel like we did a good job for the first time actually attempting this look. I Pinterested so many different styles of this, and the one that I kind of liked the most was Christine Dominique. I also looked at the more modern Joker to get the tattoos. I like a simpler way to approach it. A lot of people wear contacts with this look and it does definitely pop up the eyes, but I feel like if you have darker eyes and you're gonna stay with this look, a smokier option in the waterline or like a red eyeliner would definitely pop up the brown a little bit more. Super hard to talk with grills. DIY grills with aluminum paper. Thank me later. I wasn't sure if combining my lightest foundation with a white concealer was really going to do it for me. So I went ahead and picked up this 98-cent cream makeup. I have not tried it, but for $1 you can really basically make anything happen. The eyebrows were the biggest struggle for me because I didn't have a liquid lipstick or anything, but I basically mixed the white concealer with different shades of green and I kind of like worked it in. In the end, I decided to go in with Olivewood. It's like a darker green to kind of shape out the eyebrows because I felt like with just the brighter mid-tone green, eyebrows were looking too like neon and flat, and I feel like adding a darker shade kind of brings it in more with the hair color. So this definitely wraps up the Halloween series. I hope you enjoyed these couple of looks. They're affordable, they're easy. If you recreate any of this look, definitely tag me on Instagram so I can see your recreations. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media, Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook. Also make sure to subscribe, turn on your notifications so that you can know every single time that I upload. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you